Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 11 over number 3 secant of t. So if I put this one going here, we have 121 over number 9 secant of t square. Number 9 and number 9 we cancel. 121 we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus number 1, that is about tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one going here. ds we change for this one. So this one, that is about 121 over number 9 secant of t square. So number 9 and number 9 we can do about factor, as we can simplify in here. Next, 121 we can do about factorization. So this one, that is about tan t square. The square root of this one, we have 11 tan t. Next, we need to simplify 11 tan t. So the integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by 11 over 3. We can see that secant of t, that is about this one. So I will put this one going here. And now we can find the value of t. So we need to change t into this one, and we have like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.